This guided meditation invites you to gently reconnect with the inner strengths already present within you. Through breath awareness and mindful reflection, we will explore essential qualities like compassion, resilience, purpose, gratitude, wisdom, courage, and calm, and learn how even small moments of awareness can begin to reshape our inner world. So with that, allow yourself to settle into a comfortable position. Letting your body soften. Making whatever adjustments. And then gently closing your eyes. Notice your breathing in this moment. No need to change anything. Just noticing the natural rhythm as your breath arrives into your body. And as you release the breath from your body. I'd like to invite you to bring your attention inward. And maybe take 3 deep, full, nourishing breaths in through the nostrils, exhaling out from your mouth. And then allow your breathing to return to whatever natural rhythm. And then bring your attention to the quiet space within you. The brain is not fixed. It is constantly changing, adapting, and reshaping itself. Each moment of awareness, each pause is part of that reshaping. Reshaping itself through experiences. Every time you pause before reacting, something shifts. Every time you choose understanding over judgment or gratitude over complaining, you are strengthening something real within you, not in theory, but in your nervous system, in your patterns, in the way you meet your life. There are qualities within you, seeds if you like. They are not distant ideals. They are capacities already present, waiting to be noticed and gently developed. Today, we bring awareness to them. Compassion, flexibility, growth, quiet resilience, purpose, contribution, a sense of harmony, happiness, gratitude, moments of joy, wisdom, mindful awareness, courage, empowerment, strength, calm, and peace. You don't need to hold all of them at once. Just notice which one feels closest to you right now. Which one feels natural, or perhaps is quietly calling for your attention. And bring your awareness there. If it is compassion, notice where that lives within you. If it is calm, sense the space of stillness in your body. If it is courage, feel the subtle strength beneath the surface. No need to force anything. Just allowing for a gentle recognition. These qualities are not separate. They move together, supporting one another. Calm makes space for compassion. Compassion deepens purpose. Purpose gives rise to courage. Gratitude softens the mind into wisdom. Like instruments in an orchestra, each one distinct yet more powerful together. And here is something simple and important. You do not need to develop everything at once. Even the smallest moment of noticing, of choosing differently, is enough to begin. Like watering a seed, it does not need hours, just consistency and care. There may be a part of you that wonders if this inner work matters. But every moment of steadiness you cultivate moves with you into your life, into your relationships, your decisions, your presence with others. Calm becomes how you respond. Compassion becomes how you connect. Clarity becomes how you act. I'd like to invite you to take a deep, full, nourishing breath in and out. And before we close, I invite you to choose one strength, just one, to stay with you for the rest of your day. Not as something to perfect, but something to notice, to return to. Before we end today's meditation, take a moment to just reiterate in your mind that one strength, just a quiet remembering of what is already within you. And you're welcome to bring your awareness back to your breath. And back to the present moment. Namaste.